Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm talking about the Echo Glow. It's this smart light from Amazon. This thing's advertised for kids. It just says Echo Glow for kids on their website, but I mean, it's a smart light, so anybody could really use this. I thought it was cool, so I got one for myself. Today we're going to talk about it. I'll unbox it and tell you how this thing works and what it does and what you could use it for. So let's get into this video. I hope you enjoy. Okay, here we go. This is the Echo Glow. This thing is a multicolored smart light. It's designed to be kind of like a little night light for your bedroom, but there's plenty of other uses for this. Like I said before, this thing is advertised for kids, but it's really for everybody. It says in the corner here, ages 3 to 99. So I guess if you're 100 years old, this thing will just malfunction and blow up in your face, so don't even bother, considering the limit is 99. All right, anyway, let's open the box and see what it comes with. Before I open it, you can check out some of the couple different colors that you can change it to. There's obviously more options than that. Okay, that's a super simple unboxing. It's just the lamp itself. The cord's already plugged in for you. It looks like it's powered off of USB. So that gives it a lot of functionality. I know a lot of people will have some sort of USB port near their bed already for charging phones and stuff like that, so you can just power this off of that. Also in the box here, it comes with a USB power outlet if you don't have one already, or if you need an extra, and then, you know, your paperwork and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. So here's the device itself. Here it is in my hand for a size comparison. Maybe a better idea is to show you next to my phone. So it is kind of small. We'll see how bright it is. From what they say, I believe it's 100 lumens. Here's what the back of the lamp looks like. It just has this button here. I'm assuming that's just for turning it on and off. And it looks like the cable is not removable. So if this ever gets damaged, especially if you have it for a kid, you might be out of luck and you might have to buy another one. So that's unfortunate. I wish they would just have a easy removable like micro USB cable that you can replace if it gets damaged. Looks like the cable that it comes with is pretty long. Just at a quick glance, I'm going to say it's probably 6 feet in length. Yeah, so you just basically take this, plug it into your USB like this, and you can plug it into the wall. But pretty much anything else with a USB port, you can plug it in and power it that way too. I'm guessing it would work on computers or TVs USB ports. So there's a bunch of different places you can use this. For me, I'm going to use it next to my bed, and I'm going to show you guys what it's like when it's plugged in and turned on. And then I'm going to talk about some of the other features that it has. Alright, I just plugged it in and it's blinking, so I'm assuming I have to go into the Alexa app and set this thing up. Alright, so one thing to mention is in order to control this thing, you're obviously going to need an Echo assistant of some sort, so the Echo Dots or the Shows or the, you know, the normal Echo speakers around your house. You could also use your phone if you have Alexa on there. Alright, so I'm just in the Amazon app here and I just clicked add a new device, and if you see here, it's actually listed. Echo Glow is right there. I just click that, and then you just follow the stuff on the screen here. It actually comes with a little piece of paper with a QR code on it. I'm going to cover mine in case someone tries to steal it and control my lights. But yeah, it just asks you to scan that code with your phone, and that'll be how you pair it. So as I was messing with this thing, it turns out just by touching it, you can actually change the colors. So I'm sure a kid would love this. If this was their nightlight, they can pick whatever color they want to go to bed to. So here we go, my light's all set up. I can control the brightness right here in the app and also the color. I can toggle the tap function on or off, so if you do want to keep it at one color and you don't want somebody touching it and changing it, you can turn that off. There's color modes here, so campfire will mimic a campfire, so like an orange blink like this. Pretty cool. There's disco, mood light, and solid color. For me, I'm going to go solid color. I'm going to pick this salmon color here because that seems like a good light temperature for bedtime. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, it's not that bright. It is meant to just give you a little bit of light at night, and I'm going to put it next to my bed, and I'm going to be able to set it to a routine so I can give my Echo Assistant the command of good night, and I'll have it turn off my regular lights and turn on this thing, and then I'll have it turn on white noise as well, because that's what I like to go to bed to, like with some rain sounds or something. And then when I'm actually, you know, about to really go to bed, then I'll just click the back button here and turn it off completely. Or I can control it with my phone, or I can tell the Echo Assistant to turn it off. Alexa, good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.
And for kids, you might want to just leave it on all night. It's up to you. So yeah, it's a pretty cool product, sold by Amazon on Amazon's website, obviously. I'll have a link below to it. Let me know what you guys think of it. And I believe it's about $29.99 normally. Might go on sale, especially during the holiday season. If you have any questions about this thing, I'll be happy to answer it in a comment below. Leave a like if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.